What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Ahsoka Tano from the Mandalorian. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side, starting from the very top. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of our eye and pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle, come all the way down towards the bottom and back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, just going to bring that circle in and then back out. Let's line this up on the right, go all the way around and then back out. And then we'll draw that same size circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. So let's tuck this up underneath the highlight, come all the way around and then back out. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw on the nose. We're going to start by lining up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center. Now I'm going to start on the left side. I'm going to curve the nose, coming down and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and then down to the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, curve the mouth coming down, and then back up. And then we'll draw on the upper lip. In the center, step up, start with a point. From that point, we're going to angle up and out towards the left and right side. And then from the top, curve the mouth coming down and then out. Let's step down, draw on the lower lip. On the left side, curve the lip coming down, and back up, and then we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, draw a large half circle, and come down underneath the mouth, go out, and pull that up on the right side. And then from the side of the head, draw a straight line going up, and then we'll connect the top with a curve. Starting back on the left, go up in the middle, and then we'll bend that down on the right. Let's add those markings around the face. We're going to start on top of the left eye on the outside, curve in, and then bend that down. Line this up on the right, go up, and then out. And from the inside, we're going to angle up and out with a short line, and come back down and in. Let's work our way up towards the top. Start with a short line going up, angle up and out, and we'll pull that back in. Short line, and we'll pull this all the way up towards the top. Let's go back to the outside, draw a short angled line coming up and in. And then from here, I'm just going to pull this across and then down on the inside. Line this up on the right. And then we'll trace these lines along the outside. Start by going up. This one, leave an even space gap all the way around. Pull that back in. And then up towards the top. Let's go out to the side, draw a short line coming down and out. And pull that out and up underneath. Let's add those markings across the cheek. Starting on the left, come down and in just underneath the eye. Line this up on the right. And then from the inside, come down and then bend that in. Now we're going to trace this back towards the outside. Starting from the bottom, just taper that up. And then we'll follow that same curve going out towards the side of the head. Let's go back to the center, step all the way up to the top, start with a point. Now from here we're just going to angle down and out towards the side with a straight line. Let's go back to the left. I'm just going to curve around the head and then back in. Go out, down around that corner, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's add some detail along the top. From these 2 points, we're going to angle down and in with a straight line, step out, and draw that again. Let's go back to the center and add a diamond shape. Starting from the top, start with a point, angle down and out toward the left and right, and we'll pull that down and in towards the middle. Let's go out to the side, draw a short angle line coming up and in, line this up on the right. I'm going to pull this down and in towards the middle. And then we'll add one more line on the outside. Just come down and in. Let's go back to the center, go all the way up towards the top of the head, start with another point. And then from here we're going to angle up and out towards the left with a straight line. Go back to the center, we're going to go in the opposite direction, going up and out towards the same height. And then from the top, we're going to go straight down and then just bend that out. Now we're going to pull the headdress around the side of the head. Let's start back on the left. Just going to round this out, come down, and then bend that in. And we'll bend this down towards the bottom point. Starting back on the left, just going to blend it to a curve, coming down. And we'll pull that in and up underneath the head. Now we're going to go back and add some stripes to the headdress. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve up and bend that in. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Let's step down, curve in, and all the way down towards the top of the head. Let's go back to the left side. We're just going to taper this out, going out and then down. Let's add another stripe. We're going to step down, curve down and then in towards the side, step down and draw that again. Let's add a few more stripes along the bottom. We're going to step down on the left, curve down and then in, line this up on the right, step down, draw that again. And now we're going to close off the tip, starting back on the left, curve in, and then down. Now we're going to go back and add some thick lashes. Starting from the top of the eye, just going to curve this up, and then down along the side. And then we'll curl this back up towards the outside. And then from here, we're just going to curve down and in behind the eye. Let's fill the lashes in black. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out and down towards the hip, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the same height, and then we'll connect the bottom with a curve, moving down and then up. Now we're going to add some detail to the body, starting with the top of the belt. From the left side, we're going to step up and draw that same curve, going down and then up, and then in the center, we'll add a circle, starting from the top, all the way around towards the bottom, and back up, and then add a smaller circle in the middle. Let's go up to the top of the body on the left, step in, draw a straight angled line, coming down and in, aiming towards the top of the buckle. Then from the top, step down, angle up and out towards the right. Let's continue with the legs. Starting from the hips, I'm just going to curve out and then down towards the bottom. And we'll round up the bottom and then pull that up towards the middle. Come down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the hips, step in, draw a curve, coming down and then out on either side. And And then from the top, step down, draw 2 straight angle lines. Coming down in towards the middle, and back up and out. And then from that center point, draw a straight line coming down the middle. Let's tuck the feet in underneath the legs, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and up towards the toes on both sides. Let's round out the top of the feet. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, with a gap on the inside. And then from the outside corner of the legs, we're going to step in, draw a straight angle line coming down and out on top of the foot. We're also going to add a thick edge along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now we're going to move up and draw the arms holding 2 lightsabers. Starting from the top of the body on the left, curve down and out, in behind. And we'll continue that curve on the outside, going out towards the wrist. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the thumb. We're going to go up, and then bend that down. Round out the tip of the thumb, and pull that back up. And then we'll add the palm. Come down and in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Up, and then down. Round up the thumb, pull that up, and draw the palm. Let's add 3 fingers on the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down, draw that again. Pull this up underneath the thumb, and do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's layer the lightsabers in behind the hand. In between the finger and the thumb, draw a straight angled line, going up, and then out, go to the right, and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Now I'm going to step out and draw that same angled line, coming back in towards the hand. And we'll connect the top with a half circle, going up and then down. From the top of the hand, we're going to step up, draw a straight angled line going across. Let's draw the bottom of the handle. We're going to line up with the outside line, come down and in. We'll do the same thing along the inside. Connect the bottom with a curve, going down and up. Let's go back up to the wrist and draw the hand, coming in. Just going to bend this out in behind the handle. And then from the bottom of the hand, we'll step up, curve the arm coming in, and bend that up behind the body. Line this up on the right, come down, and then out. Now we're going to add those wraps across the arm. Starting from the inside of the arm, go up and bend that out. Step out. We're going to draw that 2 more times on either side. Go over towards the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Ahsoka Tano from The Mandalorian. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.